Hey guys, it's John with Longhaul Lifesavers, and today we're going to be taking out our fireplace, but you have to stay tuned to see what we're going to do. You can see the fireplace is out, and what we're going to do, we have all these extra cables in here. So what I'm going to do is some cable management, and there's like 20 feet of extra coax cable. So we're going to cut these down, and everything's going to be mounted on this back wall here. And then we are going to put a plate here on the side, on the back to cover all the wires, and then on this side as well. I'm not going to expose what we're doing yet, but that is the plan. Little tip, guys, so these coax cables, they're all labeled to where they go. So when I cut this, I'm going to cut all the way up here, so all of this wire that has the label on it is going to disappear. So we have a label maker, and we're going to create some labels. We are going to label all of these lines before we cut them. Okay everyone, as you remember in the previous clip that all the wires were down here on the floor. Now they are all cable managed and attached on the wall. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to put some support brackets here, and push, so we'll have a little false wall there, and we'll put a board up to hide all this. And then we have some clamps much like these, so that we'll be able to take this back wall off and on whenever we need to get to these cables. But it's a lot cleaner now, gives us a lot more room to work. So on to the next step. We got some wood pieces cut to finish out this inside and the back wall. So now we're going to test fit them to make sure they all fit before we burn them and stain them. As you can see, this back piece, actually, there you go. This back piece isn't letting it sit back all the way, and the reason for that is there's an outlet back here that I have to cut a hole in this board to fish the outlet through. So it's not going to push all the way back because those wires are holding it up. So that's why there's a big gap in some places. So,
and we relocated the outlet from the sidewall.
Pro tip, if you do buy paint, don't buy this. It's very stripy, there's not good coverage. I like the paint, when you press the trigger, it gives you a straight stream and a wide angle as well, and you can turn the nozzle so you can go up or down. But this sucks, it's very stripy.
Why did we buy that?
It's the only thing that's left. Home Depot's out of everything.
I have fairy lights that John's hanging up for me right now, so let me show you guys that. And I just want to be a stay-at-home dog mom. Thank you, Marla. My mother-in-law got me that for Christmas.
So this is what it looks like when it's dark. We put pixie lights in to give it a little ambient lighting.
And it's just on the bottom of the drawer because the drawer is recessed, so John, go ahead and pull the drawer out. So we made sure that it had plenty of slack.
What do you think? Did Daddy do good? So this is the finished product of what we were doing when we took out the fireplace. We turned it into a dog bed. So I finished both the wall, or all the walls. We got a little rug in here for the dogs to lay on. Quinn's in there right now. So that's gonna be it for today's episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and then head on over to Instagram and follow us at Longhaul Lifesavers. See you guys.